Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to customize invoices in Bigcommerce. Customizing invoices helps reinforce your brand, improves customer experience, and ensures all important business details are included. To customize the invoice, we go to the Bigcommerce dashboard. Once we are in Bigcommerce, we click this order. When we see our order, we need to check the order. There is an option called Print Invoices. For example, this is the invoice template. The things we can edit here are the logo and billing details. Here, we can edit that. The name here can be changed, for example, if there is a collection or a different name. We go to Orders and click this one. Then we can edit order. Here, we can edit the billing or invoice information. When we are done, we click Next. For the logo on the invoice, we can change the invoice logo by going to Storefront. On the left side of the dashboard, click the drop-down and then click this logo. Once we are here, we can upload, edit, or replace the image by selecting the three dots. After changing the logo, make sure to save. This is how we customize invoices in Bigcommerce. With branding and details set up, customers will receive branded and consistent invoices with every order.